guys, so I'm gonna come really quick to show you guys how I make my hemp seed salad dressing as well as hemp seed mayo. You can substitute it for both dressing as well as mayo. So you're just gonna need some hemp seed, some sea salt, some grapeseed oil, onion powder, a little cayenne, and 2 key limes. So I'm starting with a little under a cup of hemp seeds, but you could use exactly a cup, but I just finished the last of my hemp seeds. Gonna do a dash of cayenne just for a little kick. Definitely salt to your preference. About a half teaspoon of onion powder, about 2 tablespoons worth of grapeseed oil. I'm gonna squeeze 2 key limes juices. So I didn't show the pepper because this is optional, as this is not a Dr. Sebi approved ingredient, but I still do cook with black pepper. So I'm just gonna add a dash of that. Then I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of spring water. And blend this on low. Now, as far as consistency goes, when I want it to be more of a dressing, I do add a little bit more water. If you want it to be more of a mayo base, you don't have to add this much water, and then it'll be a lot thicker. But today I'm using it for salad dressing, so this is why I like this consistency better. Now I'm just gonna pour it in a mason jar to store as my salad dressing. And that's it. Then I'll just put this in the refrigerator. I prefer to make smaller batches because I prefer fresh salad dressing / mayo, but it's definitely up to you. You could definitely double this or triple this so that you could have more in hand. It's so yummy and it's gonna smell so good. Just gonna drizzle this on top of my salad, and the hemp seeds are filled with natural protein. And that is it. So definitely stay tuned for my next recipe, which I will be featuring my mock tuna, which is amazing, and you will need this recipe to do that. But again, for that, definitely put less liquid because you want something a little bit thicker consistency to basically substitute as mayonnaise. But that's it, guys. I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is. I look so crazy today, so that is why I'm not showing my face. But this was just supposed to be a really quick video for you guys. Oh, and definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button.